What's up YouTube? So today's video I'm going to unbox the Realme X2 Pro. The variant which I'm unboxing right now has a 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, and its color is lunar white. So let's open the box, and after opening the box we see a Realme card box. Let's put it aside for a moment and look at the other box content. We have the device itself. Removing the plastic and turning the device on. While the device is turning on, let's see the box content. Inside the card box we have the TPU silicone cover, which quality is impressive, and it is one of darkish color. Next we have a startup guide, and along with that in main box we have the USB to Type-C cable, which is impressive. The next thing which is coming inside the box is the SIM ejector pin, and at the end and the last thing is Superbook fast charging of 50 watt, through which we can charge our device in 30 minutes. Moving towards the device, well, first look at the physical overlook of the device. On the front of the device we have 6.5-inch Super AMOLED dot drop notch display, which holds a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and along with that the front has a Gorilla Glass 5 support. On the right side of the device we have a power button and a SIM slot. Checking the SIM slot, we have a dual SIM tray, and there is no dedicated SD card slot present in Realme X2 Pro. On the left side we have the volume rocker, while on the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, primary mic, Type-C cable, and a speaker grill. On the back side we have an awkward Realme branding dual LED flashlight quad camera setup on the back side, in which primary camera is of 64 megapixel, 13 megapixel of telephoto lens, 8 megapixel of ultra wide angle, and a 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera. Checking the biometric of the device, well, we have a fingerprint as well as a face unlock support inside the Realme X2 Pro. Well, the fingerprint scanner is present under the display just because it is using the Super AMOLED display, so that's why we are seeing this fingerprint scanner under the display. Checking the speed, it is super fast. Just put the finger on it and instantly it unlocks the device. Face unlock is also fast. Just when I put my face in front of the device, it unlocks the device quite fast. Under the hood, if we look at, we have a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, a 4000 mAh of a battery, 3 variants which are coming inside, 6 gigs, 8 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM, and a 64 gigs, 128 gigs and 256 gigs of storage coming inside, and a fast charger of 50 watt. Last thing is the software. We have an Android 9 Pie inside the device which runs on Color OS. So that's all in this video. It's a nice 90Hz refresh rate quad camera setup, have a fast charger device, and I can definitely say it's a flagship killer. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.